Hey guys, Coach Wisdom, and here we're going to be talking more about macros, and I'm going to introduce you to something called CalorieKing.com to measure the foods that don't have nutritional labels, such as this right here. So, introduction, you do need a food scale, and you can buy this one at Target. You can also buy a measurement cup at Target. This together probably cost me about $35, and it's going to be a big help in your journey. So let's start with the macro counting, how to do it. So this is pasta here, and let's look at the serving size. Serving size is 2 ounces, it's right here, 2 ounces. And we know that in every 2 ounces is 42 grams of carbs, it's 7 grams of protein, and it's 1 gram of fat. So I'm going to show you how that looks like. So we're going to put it on the scale. We're going to change this right here to ounces, and it's already on ounces. I'm going to set that to 0. Okay. And I'm going to pour it until it hits 2 ounces. Now it's okay if you go over a little bit or you're under a little bit. So for example, there was 2.03, that's very close. So we look at this right here, I'm gonna show you my hand too. This right here of pasta is gonna be 42 grams of carbs, 7 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat. As you can tell, it's not a lot, okay? It's not a lot, so it's very easy to go over your carbs. Now I'm gonna put this back, okay? I'm gonna set this back to 0. Now I'm going to show you how to do rice. So here's jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is a good rice. And I'm going to show you the nutrition fact for this. It's right here. Okay. So what's the serving size here? The serving size for jasmine rice here is going to be 52 grams dry. Dry just means uncooked. Okay, so 52 grams uncooked. And we know that in every 52 grams uncooked jasmine white rice is 40 grams of carbs and 4 grams of protein. So let me show you how 40 grams of jasmine white rice looks like. So first let's change my scale into grams, because right now it's still in ounces, right? So right here there's a unit button, click the unit, there, it changed to grams. I'm gonna put in 40 grams. Don't freak out, I'm still here. I just need both my hands to pour this. Okay, I'm still pouring, and there you go. So I've just poured the rice, and this right here is gonna be the 50 grams of jasmine Thai rice. And as you can tell, it's not a lot, okay? So be very careful with your rice, especially eating brown rice. You can go over your carbs very easily, because right here, this is 40 grams of carbs, okay? I'll put this back. Now, here comes the better part, and most of you are probably confused here. What about foods that don't have this nutrition fact? What do I do? For example, an apple, right? There's no nutrition fact. There's a lovely sticker, but no nutrition fact. So, let me introduce you to something called CalorieKing.com, right? So type that in, CalorieKing.com. And right here, there's something called food search. So I'm going to type in apple. And we're going to choose apples with skin, raw, okay? It doesn't really matter. Most apples, they're around the same macronutrients, okay? So let's click on that. Apples with skin raw. Now, right here it has a serving size and has what kind of measurement you want to use. I'm going to use grams, okay? And let's weigh this apple. Let's see how much it weighs. So, set the scale back to 0. We put the apple on the scale, and it says it is 168 grams, this apple. I'm sorry, 170, this apple, okay? So, let's go back here. I'm gonna put in 170 right here. It's gonna reset itself. And in 170 grams of apple, it is 23 grams of carbs, about 0 grams of fat and 0 grams of protein. I like to round. Don't make your life hard, guys. Just round it, okay? It's okay. As long as it's not rounding, you know, this to 20, 23, 24, that's fine. Okay, next, I have blueberries. Who likes blueberries? I like blueberries. So, here's my blueberries. Ah, it's nice, huh? I'm gonna put my measuring cup back here. There's a little bit of rice, but don't worry about it. And I'm gonna put it in. So I'm gonna put in a good handful, right? Let's put in a little bit more. So this many blueberries is 48 grams, okay? So we're gonna go back to our website again. We're gonna go into food search, right? We can type in blueberries. And type search, okay? Blueberries raw, right? We're not having blueberry muffins here, right? We're having blueberries. So click on that. Again, it is 48 grams. So we're gonna type in 48 grams and let's see how many carbs, protein, and fat is in this. So the fat is 0, the carb is 7, and the protein is about 0. Okay? So in this many blueberries, it's not a lot, right? Better lighting here. It is 0 grams of fat, 7 carbs, and 0 protein. Alright, we're almost done here. I have one more example to show you, and that is avocados. Okay? So, here is my container of avocados. Open this up for you. It's already peeled and ready to go. So, I'm gonna set my scale back to 0 again, right? It's already 0. And I'm just gonna put in, you know, one little scoop. Okay, let's see how much this has. One little scoop right there. It has 56 grams. So I'm gonna find out how many carbs and protein and fats is in 56 grams of avocado. I hope you see this is very simple. No, it doesn't take, it's not rocket science. It's very simple. Once you get a hang of it, you're gonna get it. We're gonna pick avocados, average, all variety, okay? We're not picking sandwich, we're not picking avocado oil, just avocados. Changes to grams, right? And I'm gonna put in 56 grams, okay? Because that's how much weighs. 56, okay? We know it's 90 calories, and we know that in 56 grams of avocado, it is about 8 grams of fat. It's about 5 grams of carbs and about 1 gram of protein. So that covers how to count macros for most foods that don't have labels. Okay, we had the pasta, the rice, the apples, the blueberries, the avocados. I hope it helped you out. If you got more questions, make sure to ask me, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.